Hey, beautiful viewers, welcome to Transform with Leota, the space where we dive into love, relationships, mindset shifts, the mind body connection, healing childhood wounds, and most importantly, self love. If you're on a journey of transformation and seeking deeper connection, you're in the right place. Today, we're talking about something that has been glorified and misunderstood and even feared. What is it all about? We're talking about true love. What is it really, and why do so many of us mistake it for something else? So, what true love is? Let's start by stripping away the illusions. True love is not just butterflies, it's not passion, it's not grand romantic gestures. Those things are beautiful, but real love is something deeper, something raw and liberating. True love is acceptance. When you seeing someone for who they truly are and not who you want them to be. True love is freedom. When you allow space for growth rather than clinging out of fear. True love is selflessness when you're giving without expecting something in return. It is emotional safety when you feel secure in expressing your thoughts, your fears, and your dreams. It's about mutual growth where you're inspiring each other and evolve, not just exist together. So, now how many of you have misunderstood the word love? But here's the thing, love is often mistaken for things that feel like love. It's not love. So, let's break it down into the most common misconceptions. The first one is attachment. It isn't love. When you cling to someone because you fear being alone, that's attachment. It's not love. True love allows space when you're knowing that connection remains. Possession isn't love. Love isn't about control or ownership. If you have to cage someone to keep them, it's not love, it's fear. Infatuation, that isn't love. That's rush of excitement. Love, on the other hand, is consistent. Even in stillness, sacrificing yourself isn't love. Love shouldn't cost you your identity. If you're losing yourself in the name of love, it's time to step back and realign. External validation isn't love. If you need someone to prove their love constantly, the real question is, do you really love yourself first? The foundation of all love is self love. And until you don't love yourself enough and deeply and unconditionally, you will never seek from a place of lack rather than abundance. The healthier the relationship with yourself, the healthier you will attract love. So, what does love look like? What does love look like? Have you ever experienced it? Or are you still in the process of navigating into the depths? I want you to drop your thoughts in the comments. I would really love to hear your perspective. And if this message really has resonated with you, don't forget to like the subscribe button and hit the bell icon so you never miss out on all these soul nourishing conversations. And I want you to remember that love is not something that you find, it's something we become. Stay radiant, stay transformative, and I'll see you in the next video. Until then, keep loving yourself, keep growing. Have a blessed day.